pausua da Joan eta biok buelta bat emango dugu eta posizionatuko dugu. Bigarren pausua da hasten gara horrela egiten eta estribilloa ailegatzera arte. Estribilloan egingo dugu horrela, lau aldiz. Eta gero egingo dugu horrela eta salto bat.
Just call us. Walk this party, girl, she's on, you know my hand. Hey, okay. I want y'all to do this dance now. Choose on that beat. Now slide. Hit the phone, don't stop, hey. Don't stop, hey. Run a man on that beat. Run a man on that beat. Do your dance. You ugly. You your dancer, hey. Do your dance, go crazy. Get free, let's go. Let go. Hey. Okay, we up, getting ready to fight. I got my cousin, he with me, gotta say on the right. And I'm in Detroit, baby, and I don't know nothing else besides drinking and having parties and having some fun. I say, look in the mirror, what you expect me to do? I see a 300S and got the blacked out rough. I mean, I'm like your style, I'm on the whole other level. If you compare me and you, there wouldn't be no comparisons. Who's on that beat? Now slide. Hit the phone, don't stop, hey. Don't stop, hey.
Watch me then.
watch me.